Hello friends, there is the ultimate guide to sofa designs. A comprehensive overview is here. First of all, introduction. A sofa is a staple piece of furniture in any living room, serving as a comfortable seating option for relaxation, socializing, and entertainment. With so many sofa designs available, it can be overwhelming to choose the perfect one for your home. In this guide, we will explore the different types of sofa designs, their benefits, and what to consider while selecting an ideal sofa. Number 2, types of sofa designs. There are several types of sofa designs to choose from, each with its unique characteristics, advantages, and disadvantages. Some of the most popular sofa designs include modern sofas, characterized by clean lines, minimal ornamentation, and focus on comfort and functionality. Traditional sofas featuring classic designs, intricate details, and focus on elegance and sophistication. Chesterfield sofas, known for their rolled arms and classic timeless design. Sectional sofas, a versatile and practical option, perfect for large families and for creating a cozy conversation area. Then there comes sleeper sofa, a space-saving option that doubles as a bed, perfect for guest room or for small apartments. Number 3, benefits of different sofa designs. Each sofa design has its unique benefits such as comfort. Modern sofas are designed with comfort in mind, featuring plush cushion style. Traditional sofas add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any living room. Practicality. Sectional sofas offer a versatile and practical seating solution for large families and for creating a cozy conversation area. Space saving. Sleeper sofas are great option for small apartments and for guest rooms, providing a comfortable seating area that doubles as a bed. This was part 1 about sofa designs. I hope you would have liked the video and subscribe the channel as well. Stay tuned for next videos. Allah Hafiz.